100 years ago, and it looks fantastic.
So they extracted the staircase from here, and they've repurposed it, and they use it in another hotel down the road.
One hotel bed.
Okay, kiddos, we're at Houghton House in Ampthill in Bedfordshire. This is a relic of an old, timely, stately home, and it just looks immense. I'd love to come here at night time as well. Can you imagine visiting this place at night time? Just gonna walk straight ahead because this view just looks incredible. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Yes, look at this. Anyway, I'm with Ricky. I don't know where he is. Doesn't want to appear on the video. That's fine. He's behind me somewhere. But yeah, let's investigate this place. This is a grade 1 listed ruined 17th century mansion. It's not actually in Ampthill, sorry, I made a mistake. It's near Ampthill in Bedfordshire. It's managed by the English Heritage, and anyone can come here. You can just walk down and walk in, but I think there's a gate and it closes off to the public at around 8 PM, I think Ricky said. But yeah, this is just a stunning building. I mean, look at it. Anyway, there's a few ghost stories attached to this place. The most repeated one is that people have seen shadowy figures around the ruins, especially the shapes that seem to appear and vanish quickly. Another common tale is of horse-drawn carriage sound, so people can hear this at night time, or the impression of something arriving at the house, which is often linked to the site's old folklore. Some accounts also mention the ghost of a young girl, sometimes described as waving from the ruins. I can just imagine coming down in the middle of the night and bumping into a spectre. And James I used to come and visit here, yeah. Look at this ye olde graffiti here. What does it say? I'm not going to be able to read it, probably. M.A. Boxford. (1890). Huh. Mark M. was here. Let's do the round, walk around this thing. It's just as impressive outside as it is inside. Got some company, so we'll just scrap that, sorry.
Maybe just a still picture of that one.
Yeah, I'll zoom in on it, take a picture of it, and perhaps I can include that in the video. I've never tried that before, but you know, I'll give that a shot. Anyway, this house was built around 1615 for Mary Herbert, and as I said before, visited by James I and later fell into ruin after being dismantled in 1794, which gave it a dramatic lost and found history. That kind of ruined, elevated landscape naturally attracts haunting stories, especially when tied to a literary landmark and a grand estate. In other words, the ghost stories here are a part of the way people have kept the place alive in memory after the house itself was stripped away. But yeah, this has been inspiration for a lot of literary figures in the past. I mean, as you can imagine, just take a look at it, you know. That's pretty much it, folks. I really hope you enjoyed this quick visit to Houghton House. Yeah, probably come back here with Rick and we'll check out, there's a couple of other places nearby, Clop Hill Church or something, and another big place to visit, which I forget the name of now, I'm useless today. Oh look, I didn't even realise there's steps here. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Short and sweet still. As I say, I'll be back hopefully, and I'll make another couple of videos. I didn't even realise this was here. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you again soon. Bye. Yeah, mead all day long. I love mead. Just bringing you back because I just totally missed this. I've had a good walk around and I've missed this. Ricky says that he came round here one time and there was 2 people making out in here. Anyway, bye. Yeah, sorry, I keep missing parts of this building out because I was so just kind of like imagining like the opulence of the interior of the building. I've not actually like taken note of the downstairs part where I imagine the cellar is and whatever this place was, this room down here, I guess the cellar.
Got to be a pantry surely with all the storage.
Yeah, as Ricky's just pointed out, maybe it was a... Oh, look at this bird of prey up there. Oh, did I get that on video? There's a couple of them. Up there somewhere, can you see? They're just hanging about up there. Been up there for a while. Okay, I'm really going now. Bye.